So we got this package from my guy Clint, man. So I got this package from my guy Clint, Blackground Clothing. Nice packaging. Nice packaging. I like the packaging. So I got this box from my guy, So I got this box from my guy Clint, man, over at Blackground Clothing. See the detail he put into the boxing. So we're just gonna open this up right quick, see what we're working with. I'm excited because I've been seeing his work in the Squad Creators group for a minute, so I'm excited to see his final product. Now if I can just open this thing. Little operator error right here, I don't want to cut nothing. Oh, I like how that opens though. I like how that box opens. Boom. Definitely paid attention to detail. Blackground Clothing sweatshirt. Receipt. But you see the branding. His branding is dope all over the box. First thing you see, Blackground Clothing. The sticker. Card in there. Postcard. Blackground Clothing. The total of a person is black experience, black knowledge, and black education. Any black circumstance or black event. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. Antecedent to a phenomenon or development. I rarely get stumped on words though. That one stumped me. I'm gonna look that up here in a minute. Yeah, I like that. I like that box. Shout out Clint, man. That box packaging and branding is dope, man. So let's see what we working with here. Some hang tags are nice. Blackground Clothing. Yeah, man, you really thought about the detail in this, fam. I'm happy to have it. Thank you, brother. Oh, yeah. So the Blackground, you merely adopted the culture. I was born in it. The lettering is raised. Man, he's paid attention to the branding, man. Again, the logo on the sleeve. Yeah, the branding is dope. Man, shout out Clint, man. Thank you, brother. Blackground Clothing, man. I'll put a link to him down in the description. Appreciate you, brother.